Hello, everyone. Join me in welcoming Arunaditya Raj Jain. Congratulations, Arunaditya, on your fantastic performance.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Take me through the process. First of all, why did you decide to do MBA?
Ma'am,
This has been asked often, but tell me.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm a final student of BSc Honors Computer Science, and
Hmm.
personally, I thought that an MBA would add much more value to me than doing a job or master's in my graduation field, as I think um, it is the right age for me to learn and mold the shape of my career. And having a technical degree of BSc CS, I think in this era of competition, our dual expertise of CS and management would surely help me to expand the horizon of my knowledge and increase the number of opportunities I will get. So yeah, that's why.
So, how did you prepare? Tell me. How did you prepare for CMAT? Like, what exactly was your strategy?
The strategy was pretty simple for quantitative aptitude. I just brushed up my basics because unlike CAT, CMAT is a pretty easy exam. So I just arithmetic and modern mathematics should be focused on, and we should have in-depth knowledge of topics like algebra, geometry, mensuration, and for language comprehension. Uh, In CMAT, the RCs are usually of moderate length and pretty simple than CAT. So I focus more on parajumbles, fill in the blanks, synonyms and antonyms. Idioms are very often they often come in CMAT. So and like questions like sentence correction. And I read magazines and newspaper daily because it helps in both verbal and GK. So yeah, and if we talk about general awareness, GK is not a section that we should take lightly because uh, if uh, uh, if we prepare it genuinely and attempt the question genuinely, general
So,
awareness can
how
be.
many months preparation did you do for CMAT? You also prepared for CAT, I assume.
Yeah, ma'am, I prepared for CAT, but not enough. But I ju-
It
after the
helped.
day
The
of
CAT
my
preparation helped in CMAT, right?
yeah, ma'am. Because the basics got cleared while I was preparing for CAT, and after the CAT result came, I just jumped into giving the mocks for CMAT because that was the
Good.
thing I didn't do before CAT. So
No, that's
yeah,
okay. I mean, sometimes it's just one exam. If you're not in form on that day, even Virat Kohli gets out for a zero. So
yeah,
CMAT
ma'am.
you prepared well. And how many
Yeah,
mocks
ma'am.
did you take? Did you take any
Ma'am,
special coaching?
no, ma'am. I did not take offline coaching. I just prepared from grade up, and I I took 3 other mock series. I gave around 23, 24 mocks, but I was
Wow.
planning to give more. But as the CMET date was announced suddenly, so that was it. 24 mocks,
20,
around 20.
23, 24 mocks. So
Yeah, ma'am.
I want our listeners to know that taking mocks is very important. This is something
Yeah.
we tell everybody. So what did you gain by doing those mocks? You could realize what were your strengths, what you were not good at.
Yes, ma'am. The most important thing that mocks made me realize is uh, uh, that you have to be well acclimatized to the usual pattern
Exactly.
of
Yeah.
the exam. So yeah,
And your
that was
timing and strategy.
yeah, ma'am. The which section you got a attempt first, and yeah, you can experiment many times in the mocks. So yeah,
So overall, you are happy you got what the marks that you think you deserved in the exam, or did you make some goof ups?
yeah, ma'am. I was expecting 99 plus. Yeah, definitely I got 99 plus, but uh, I did well in QA. I am very I'm satisfied with my performance in QA, but this year GK was pretty tough, so I'm not satisfied with my
So, what
performance in
is
GK.
your advice to our students on how to prepare for general awareness?
As I said, general awareness is not a section you should take
Can't take
lightly.
it lightly.
Yeah, you should prepare it GK rigorously and attempt the question genuinely. Don't goof up in the examination. And general awareness can be one of the most scoring section you can score. And don't just gobble up random facts. And make sure at the day of exam you are well versed with the current affairs of previous around at least 6 months. Um, Topics like recent business events, about environment, international affairs, famous award and prizes, these and Indian history, and
Oh,
topics like
static GK
book.
also.
Yeah,
Static GK
yeah,
also.
yeah. Strategic is a very forms a very major part of GK and CMAT.
So how did you balance it? You read newspapers, you attended classes. I remember Pranav Pant taking a lot of GK and
Yeah, ma'am.
current
Yeah,
affair sessions.
yeah. In the last 2 weeks, he took Menti quizzes. A thing called
Yes.
Menti quizzes and on YouTube. That helped me a lot. There was a question I remember which came in CMET also, that from how much the height of Everest is increased. So yeah, that
Okay.
helped me a lot.
Oh, that helped.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What other advice would you give our students, Arunaditya? What are the three things they should keep in mind? See, yours is an example of a student who did not get disheartened. You took CAT ठीक से नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ? There are other exams. So,
Yeah, ma'am.
using that experience, you did so well in CMAT. There are some fantastic colleges which come under CMAT. So, at the end of the day, if it's, you get your MBA from a good college where your teachers are good, you get a very good MBA degree, that's all that matters. So that's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
great achievement for you. So what is the that thing I want you to tell our students on how not to lose hope when they don't do well in one test, how preparing for one test can help you do well in others.
Yeah, ma'am. I would just like to say, CMET questions are pretty easy just
Hmm.
compared to another other exams like CAT and that. So yeah, while you are preparing, you know where you stand. So don't lose hope, because uh, I scored 81.33 percentile in CAT, and if I can score in 99 percentile in CMET, so anyone can. Just keep
No,
keep
no, that's
practicing.
very modest of you. आप बहुत अच्छे किए. If I can do it, anyone can do it. नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छे किए. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And so, what do you want to go on and do now?
Ma'am,
What?
I'm preparing for my personal interviews right these days. I have my Wellinkers interview, Great Lakes interview. That's what I'm preparing for. I'm also doing some certification course right now.
Okay. And what steps are you taking for your interview preparation?
Ma'am, I'm just preparing typical HR questions like and current affairs question. You should know about what is going on about COVID situation in our country. What steps are being taken. You should know about. I gave an interview yesterday, so they asked me about my city. What is the COVID situation in my city? So I live in Jhansi. I told them what is going on, and yeah, you should. Your GK must be pretty good, because sometimes they ask random facts um, anything. Yesterday they asked me about who is my favorite business leader. So I said Ratan Tata, and they asked me to
Favorite? Come
favorite
again?
business leader, Indian
Uh-huh.
business leader. So yeah, I said Ratan Tata, and they asked me if he did MBA. So I said I had an idea about it. So yeah, I remembered he did MBA, but he did MBA from USA. So they asked me about the university. So I did not know that. So if you are um, mm, going to say something, if you're saying that
Be well
this
prepared.
person is yeah, if this person is your favorite business leader, you should know about him. So yeah.
Oh, okay. How many other interviews are lined up now for you?
Ma'am, I have Wellingkers on 9th and 9th May, and I have applied for NIA Pune also, and Great Lakes Chennai also.
Okay. Do these are just interviews and you're preparing? Obviously, you're good at GK, and so you are answering them well. Are you happy with your interview so far?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not very happy, but yeah, I'm doing fine.
You know, you're not expected to answer every question in the interview. So, एक
Yeah,
दो question छूट गया तो ठीक है. It's okay. So, I think you must have done well. How many? What else is remaining?
ma'am. Wellingkers is on 9th May.
That's it.
Yeah,
Okay. And what would you choose if you had to choose between all the colleges? Is there any favorite?
yeah, ma'am. I would probably choose Wellingkers. Wellingkers Mumbai.
Okay.
Their main PGDM core program.
Their main PGDM course. Okay. And where
Yeah,
is the campus?
ma'am.
Which
Mumbai.
you'll be choosing the Mumbai campus. You'll be going
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the way. You're from Jharkhand, you told me, right?
No, ma'am. Jhansi.
Jhansi. Okay. So you'll
Yes,
be
ma'am.
going from Jhansi to Mumbai. No,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
online classes now because of COVID,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am. Whatever happens, we see.
That's fine. Stay home, stay safe. It's great to have you talk to us, and you come across as somebody who's very serious and stable, and you know the exact kind of person one would like to see as a role model. So I hope you continue to be that for us. All the gradients, you are a role model. That's somebody who's done well, and I like your words of advice to the student. It always helped when it comes from another student. I have told my students 100 times, Anunaditya, that आपको mock lena hai. But now that you have told them, I hope they will take enough of the mocks to practice. So that is one of the things we learned from him. He took a lot of mocks so that he could, firm up his strategy and find out what he's good at and what he's not good at. The other thing that we learned from Arunaditya is that he uh, also believes that general awareness or current affairs is something you should be very good at, both for your written and for your mock for your interviews. So that is another very big learning that we got from him. And preparing for CAT and XAT will help in all other exams. In fact, all other exams will seem easier when you do that. Also, of course, he came up with flying colors, and we are so happy for you. We wish you all the best. Keep in touch with us and keep us posted on your trajectory of growth. All right,
Yeah.
Arunaditya.
Thank you very
Fantastic.
much, ma'am. Thank you for
Congratulations.
having me.
God bless you. May all the success be yours. Bye
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.